The aim of this project was to develop an application which can automatically work with bioinformatics websites to analyze gene panels. Gene Panel Analysis Tool, or GPAT, was developed to solve this task. Following diagram describes how GPAT works. It takes initial gene panel as an input from the user. Next, it uses David to find diseases and pathways which have common genes with gene panel from the input. Then, it uses gene cards to find genes which are associated with diseases, returned from the first step. Finally, it uses KEGG to find genes which are associated with pathways, returned from the first step. So, it uses three bioinformatics websites: David, gene cards, and KEGG. Now, let's run GPAT. User can input gene panel into the text box on the left. Default gene panel is for cataract. For demonstration purposes, we will run first step using Selenium. Selenium WebDriver automatically works with Firefox web browser. In other words, it simulates human actions. It was the first web automation technique which was implemented in GPAT. However, it is quite slow, so by default, Selenium is disabled in GPAT. Results from the first step can be viewed on David tab. Now, let's run first step again using web requests. This time, web browser won't appear, so we'll use Fiddler4 to track the progress. It is a significantly faster method. But results are the same. Next step is gene cards. GPAT sends web requests one by one and informs us about the progress in the log. These are results from the second step. Let's run second step again, but now with enabled multithreading. With this option, several requests are sent in parallel to improve performance. It is especially useful for the third step, as it might send hundreds of requests. Last step results can be viewed on KEGG tab. Gene names are links to OMEM website. GPAT can also export analysis results into Excel. Final tab is used for data visualization. It runs all previous steps and visualizes results as a graph. Graph image can be exported. It is possible to create more complex graphs using GPAT, but it takes time, so we'll load one of the previously created. This is the end of presentation. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to try GPAT, it can be downloaded from GitHub.